Hello everyone, my name is Mario and welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Espresso Classico espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because this screen that you see right here, I don't know if you can kind of see it, there you go. That screen that is installed into the machine was completely off. And that was because this thing that hold it in place, basically all the threads inside are completely worn out and there was nothing for this screw to hold into it. As you can see, it kind of folds up and it just slices all the way. It's definitely not gonna be there. I can just pull it in and out. So we had to replace that. It was a bit tricky to remove it because these threads were worn out, so it was a little tricky to get it out. But once we get it out, we replace it with a brand new one. We replace the screw as well. We put the screen just like you see right there, and that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. As you can see, we got no leaks or anything coming out through the Grouphead. Everything working fine and it's already up to temperature. Now, hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now, I'm using a little bit of a fine grind, so hopefully we can see a nice steady shot coming out through the machine. Like I said, this is a pressurized portafilter, so it does require a grind that doesn't need to be as fine as the espresso grind. Even so, we are getting an excellent crema coming out through that portafilter, a little bit on the faster side. As you can see, the flow is a bit fast, so probably we can get away with a bit much finer grind. But as you can see, we got a nice shot of espresso coming out through that machine. Excellent crema, looking really great. Good extraction, looking excellent. And now we can test the steamer of the machine. Now this is a single boiler espresso machine. It is always recommended to use the steamer first if you're going to be doing any milk drinks or you're going to be pulling any more than 2 ounces of water from the machine. This is very similar to a Rancilio Silvia. The Rancilio Silvia is on the back. Apologize for the shaking. It's on the back over there. You can see that this one is a smaller form factor compared to the Rancilio Silvia, and it's also a little bit smaller. Okay, now that the steamer is ready and up to temperature, we're gonna be testing it out. As you can see, we got no leaks coming out when we move the one. We're gonna have to purge the steamer at first because there's a little bit of water residue in there. But once that we purge the steamer, you can see that the steam coming out through the one is a nice steady pressure coming out through the machine. Looking great. Working perfectly. So there you have it. Saeco Espresso Classico working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.